Hello. Hi, good morning, Sunita and Leela.
Hi.
Good morning. Okay, Leela, I request you to please allow me 10 minutes. I will give Sunita a short, quick introduction with regards to sales order creation. And after 10 minutes, I'll get back to you. We'll start the session, okay? In the meantime, I'll give a short introduction to Sunita for sales order creation. Is this fine, Leela?
No issues. Fine,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. Hi, Sunita. Please confirm, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
thank you. Let's try to understand how to create a sales order process into SAP SD system. To
Mm.
process this sales order creation, initially, as a prerequisite, we need to have master data. Master data is nothing but customer reference, material reference, and condition record. Condition record is nothing but price.
Right.
We need to have the customer material, and for this material, there is a price and CMIR, Customer Material Information Record. We'll see this one also at later part. Now, if we have this master data, first, how to create an order? Step 1, create sales order. This is the transaction code. VA01 is a for creation mode. Okay. This is the SAP screen, and this is the address bar, menu bar, address bar, title bar. This first one will be called as menu bar. This is the address bar, second line. Third one, title bar. This is the title, SAP Easy Access. Here, I'll try to maintain the transaction code VA01. Step 1, VA01. Enter. As soon as we enter, we got a new window with create sales order initial screen. Here, step 1.
Yes.
As soon as we enter, we'll get a new window with create sales order. Step 2, we need to maintain the order type, sales organization,
Oh,
distribution channel, division. If you don't know about this sales organization, distribution channel, need not to worry. I'll explain what exactly these terms are at later part. Okay. Let's maintain the order type as OR, sales organization, distribution channel, and division. This is the second step. Let's hit enter again. Okay. Now we are into step 3. Here we need to maintain the master data relevant fields like customer, material, and quantity. This is the third step, right? Let's here.
yes.
Sold to party is nothing but customer to whom we are sending. Here we shall be maintaining a reference 900901. Basically, it's kind of customer. We have customer as sign. Then here we have item material. Material. Let's maintain the material as this is the code material code. This is the customer number. This is the material code. ZX01 RX100. And how much quantity customer is placing an order? Let's assume 1. Is this field okay? Customer here, maintain material here, and customer is placing for
Mhm.
one quantity order 1. Hit enter. Okay, as soon as I hit enter, the system is proposing a delivery date, means delivery confirmation date, means customer is asking for delivery on 10th of November. Customer is asking for 10th of November delivery. The system is proposing a delivery date. On this date, customer is asking for delivery on 11th of November, right? On this date, we will not be able to deliver it because the confirmed quantity is 0. Instead of this, the system is proposing we shall be able to deliver on 17th of November. Basically, system is proposing on 17th of November. Let's continue. Click on to this. check mark here. As we see here, okay, on the screen, for this material code which we have maintained, this is the description. This material is RX100 Yamaha Escort two-wheeler bike. Okay, this is the material. For this material, the price is, for this material, the price is 100 rupees for each unit. For one piece, 100 rupees. And once we deliver this item to the customer, customer needs to pay an amount of 100 rupees, which is net value. Now, if I
Okay.
change here quantity to 5 pieces, enter, continue. Here, for 5 pieces, each unit is 100 rupees. For 5 units, 500 rupees. Okay. This is the sales order creation. Once we enter, here we'll get this number. For this number, there is a name, address, location, and area. For this material, description, item price, and total value. I'll change the quantity to 1 piece. Enter. Okay. Now, unit price is 100. And here, purchase order number, I'll make this as, we are doing order test, right? We are creating order test. And today's date is 9th of November. 9th or 8th? 9th.
No, no.
Okay, 9th of November. Enter. Enter. And save it. This is the save icon. Okay. We have maintained. But before we save the sales order, let's click onto this edit icon and click onto this incompletion log. If we click this, the system will try to check, did we missed any parameter? The system will ask us to maintain that. So the system didn't give any error. Document is complete. We can save the order. Okay. Here, standard order 20319 has been set. Can you see this message?
Yeah.
Okay. If I click onto this message, here, this is the window we'll be getting. Okay, standard order 20319 has been set. Right? Step 1, VA01 create sales order. Step 2, we need to maintain order type, sales promotion, distribution, and division. Then customer, material, and quantity. Enter. On the menu bar, go to edit. Select Incompletion Log. Okay. As soon as we click the Incompletion Log, it will check and it will give document is okay. Then save it. Is this clear, or would you like to ask any doubt in this order process creation? Sunita,
Can you show again how to check incomplete log?
sorry again.
How to check incomplete log? Edit.
Okay. There is menu bar, right, on the top.
Yeah.
Okay. In that, check for edit.
Okay.
Click onto that, select Incompletion Log. I'll queue. We have created sales order, right? And
Yeah.
we got the number also.
Mm.
This is the number 20319. Now, to check this sales order, we have transaction code VA02 or VS03. For change mode, we have, if you want to change anything into the sales order, we have VA02, or we can check in a display mode, which is VA03. To check the sales order which we have created, we'll go for transaction code VA03. Okay, this is the address bar. Okay, let's hit enter. Now, this is the order number 20319. We have created, right, a while ago. enter it. Okay. Here we can see the edit icon, right? Click on to this and we can see the incompletion log.
Okay.
Now we are into display mode. Let's go back to the change mode. VA02. A while ago we have created this sales order, right? Now, if I want to make any changes into this sales order, we can go via transaction code VA02. VA02, change sales order. This is the order number. Enter. Okay. Now I want to change the quantity instead of 1, I'll change it to 2. Okay. Just enter it. Click on to continue. Here, I'll go to this edit option, edit icon. I'll click the incompletion block. Okay. Now document is complete and we can save it. Is it clear now?
Yes, it's clear.
That's clear, right? Thanks. Now let's move on to second step, which is delivery process. A customer walked into our showroom. They placed a request material and we have made an order.
Hmm.
Now, what's the next process? We need to give delivery to the customer. Let's see the delivery process. We have order number, right? 20319. Our sales order number is 20319. This is the order number. For this order, we need to proceed for delivery. Basically, we need to give the material to the customer. The delivery process here, step 1, we have transaction code VL01N for delivery creation. Whenever we are into middle of screen, we can get like this new screen / and enter. So we got the new screen. For delivery, we have transaction code VL01N. VL01N. Create a delivery. Enter. Okay. Here, create outbound delivery with order reference. Means from our showroom, the delivery will be outbound because it's getting out of our showroom. And we are creating this delivery with order. We have order, right?
Yeah.
A while ago, we have created order. This is the order number 20139. So, from which shipping point we are going to delivery? We are making this. We need to maintain the shipping point. On which date we need to deliver? That is 17th, right?
November.
17th. Okay. Delivery date, order number, and here we need to maintain the delivery type LF. Here, shipping point, delivery date, order number, and delivery type LF.
Yeah.
Then hit enter. Okay. This is the delivery screen, right? Create a delivery overview. Okay. Basically, what will happen for delivery? Firstly, we'll pick the material, then we'll pack the material, then we'll load it into the trolley, trailer, like this. That is loading. Picking, packing, loading, then we will send the via transport. We can send via sea, via aeroplane, via train, via road. Okay, this is the transportation. Item overview. We'll pick the item. Item overview. We'll see the item number. We'll pick it. We'll pack it. We'll load it into the trolley. Means from our showroom to the cargo services. Okay. Then once they loaded, this cargo services, they'll take care about the cargo services or transportation services. Okay, they'll take care about either that needs to be sent via air, via train, like this. Okay, once we delivered to this transport, then the status overview. Here we can see picking packing status is A, which means not yet processed. Okay, so let's change this. I'll go to the picking tab. Here, how much quantity we need to deliver?
2.
2. So how much picking quantity here?
2.
2. Okay, I maintain 2. Here we can see overall picking status A, right?
Yeah.
As soon as I hit enter, a magic will happen. Let's see.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Shall we continue?
Mm.
Okay. So as soon as I enter by picking quantity 2, here we can see overall picking status has been changed to fully picked, which is C. A while ago, it was A, right? As soon as you
Mm.
pick the quantity, the status got changed to completely processed. Means the material has been picked. If I go to the status overview tab, we can see here, look, it got changed to green color. Earlier, it was like red color. Clear?
Mm.
Now I'll go to the picking tab. As we have picked the quantity, here post goods issue means to receive or to deliver. Here, click onto this icon, post goods issue. Okay, from our warehouse, from our showroom, delivery has been created. Means the material, the item has left from our showroom or from our warehouse to the customer. Okay, with delivery number, if I click onto this message, delivery 800018127 has been saved.
Mm.
Create a delivery, maintain the shipping point, delivery date, order number, delivery time. Then delivery overview is picking, packing, loading, transport, status track, and goods movement. Once we pick the quantity, click onto the post goods issue and save it. As soon as we click this PJ, the document automatically will be saved. In this delivery process, would you like to ask anything? Smita,
No, it's clear.
it's clear, right? No. Once you made delivery to the customer, what will be the next step?
Billing.
We need billing, okay? So how are we going to create a billing? Now, there is a one transaction code VF04. Okay, what is this?
Maintain
Maintain billing
billing.
due list. Means due list for all customers are in due billing. It will display a list. So I'll make here a date like today we get On 17th, we made delivery date. Let's maintain the 17th. And click onto this display building list. No. Let's change the delivery date to today. Sorry, 9. Okay, maintain the date, maintain the sales organization, and click onto this. Here we can see one list, one item. We have delivered, this is the customer, sold to 900,901. This is the delivery document which we have created. Okay, what are all items that will be delivered to the customer with relevant to that? Here a billing due list will be generated.
Okay.
We'll do one thing. Okay, let's skip this. Okay, we'll go with this one. Step 1, a while ago we have created delivery, right? With that delivery number, we'll create a billing. /n BL03N. Okay, this is the delivery number which you have created a while ago, right? So I'll copy this delivery number. For billing creation, we'll go for transaction code VF01 create billing /n new screen VF01 enter. Okay, here what we have, create billing document. So for creating a billing document, what we need? Either we need order number or delivery number. This is the delivery number. Okay, enter it. Here we are sending an invoice to the customer. Sorry, we are creating an invoice to the customer. This is the customer 900,901. For what? For this material, the quantity which we have delivered, and customer needs to pay an amount of 200. This is the invoice. If all okay, we need to save it. Here we can see document 900,398,4 has been saved. Once we created this billing document we need to release to accounting. Okay, release to accounting. That is via transaction code VF02 /n VF02. This is the billing number, billing document which you have created a while ago. Enter it. Here you can see the details. This is the billing amount, right, which we have created. So let's go back. Here, this is the billing document number. We can see here this icon, green icon, kind of flag. Okay. If you keep the link on that, we'll see release to accounting. Click onto this. Okay, the document has already passed on to accounting. So would you like to ask any doubt related to the billing process?
It's clear.
Yeah, please.
It's clear, sir.
Clear, right? Okay. Order creation process, delivery process, and billing process. Now there is a transaction code /n VA05. If you want to see the sales which has happened for a particular period, I would like to see how much sales has happened for today in my business, in my showroom. Okay, so I'll maintain here my sales organization. Sales organization could be anywhere. That could be in Vijayawada, Guntur, Bangalore, Kerala, Chennai, anywhere. Okay, I'm maintaining the sales organization. And for that respect to sales organization, how much sales has been happened? I'll put a date which is 9th of November. And I'll click onto this execute icon. Here we can see we have created one order, right?
Hmm.
This is the order number. This is the document number. This is the sales document which we have created. This is the customer number. This is the material, order quantity, and net value. This is amount which customer has paid, and overall status is completed. Now, if you want to see 1 week status from 1st of November to till 9th of November, from 1st of November to till today, 9th of November, enter. Let's execute. Oh, these many orders has been created for the month of November. If I click onto this and click on summation, 16,699 sales has been performed for the sales organization ZX0. This it's a kind of sales report. Okay. Where is our order? Okay. And this is the one. This is the order number which I have created. I'll double click on this. If I click onto this icon, display document flow, here we can see what are all process that we have done. We have created standard order. This is from the sales side. Once order is created, then logistic execution, they process the delivery. Okay, delivery. If I open this node, we can see the item has been picked, packed, loaded, and transported. Then after transportation, goods issue will be happening from our warehouse. Once goods issue has been happened, an invoice will be created for the customer. Once invoice is created, that will be released to our accounting. Okay. Here we can see all steps completed except last step, accounting. It's not clear. Once customer makes payment, it will be cleared.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Thanks, Savita, for question. Let's connect after a minute or so. Okay. Allow me 1 minute, please.